This is the demonstration of the alarm clock laboratory for ECE3300. Hello, Professor Yin, and let's do this. All right, great. So on the right, we have our timer, and that will count up just like that. And this right switch is the enable. This is the reset for that. So back to 0. And on the left side, we have our alarm time. And as you can tell, we've got the dots separating minutes and seconds. If I want to increment the seconds, I just use the up button here on this little makeshift directional pad. So I go up, or I can also go down, and it will count down like that. If I want to switch over to minutes, I can just flip this switch, and now it controls the minutes section and also can count up and down and will cycle through just like that. So for the purpose of this demonstration, we will, and I also have an alarm reset button right here. And I have an alarm enable, so what we'll do is we'll set the timer for, say, 12 seconds. We can turn the alarm on. Those LEDs indicate that the alarm is armed, and when the alarm sounds, we will also see another LED on the far left go high to indicate that the alarm is playing. And all right, here we go. And then we pull the alarm enable down, and it stops playing. Also, we can reset the alarm and reset the timer. Thank you so much for watching.